Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick honest review about this robo-advisor platform called Tally. Tally isn't a robo-advisor for investing. It's more like a smart financial assistant that helps you pay down credit card debt by analyzing your balance, interest rate, and your due date. It automates payment and may offer a lower interest credit line to replace your existing card balance. People using Tally often report an emotional shift from an overwhelm to in control. The automation takes away the mental load of juggling multiple cards. The credit lines can be a game changer if you qualify, but not everyone does. Some users have noted hiccup with a syncing or payment logic, and Tally customer service response can vary. Overall, though, users with persistent credit card debits describe it as a turning point in the journey of becoming a debt-free.